The Impressa S9 One Touch from JURA Capresso is the latest addition to their fast and powerful line of fully automatic coffee centers. And with the latest and most comprehensive one-touch technology, it's extremely user-friendly. Create a cappuccino, cafe mocha, latte, or latte macchiato, all without ever moving the cup. With its two independent stainless steel lined thermoblock heating systems and its extra large 96-ounce water capacity, the S9 One Touch produces coffees and frothed milk without any downtime or purging necessary. With the push of a button, the S9 One Touch grinds, tamps, and brews crema coffees, espressos, lattes, and cappuccinos in just seconds. And it's safe to leave the S9 One Touch on all day. Whenever you feel like having a cup of coffee, cappuccino, latte, latte macchiato, or tea, simply press a button. It's like having a coffee bar right in your kitchen. The JURA Capresso S9 One Touch, the most versatile super automatic coffee center available today. The JURA Capresso S9 One Touch, if you love coffee. The S9 One Touch works like a commercial coffee center. It brews coffee under high pressure, which according to the majority of coffee experts is the best system for maximum flavor and aroma. There are 4 preset coffee buttons, a small and large cup button, and double cup button for each size. These make 2 cups at a time. Temperature, coffee volume, and coffee strength for these 4 buttons are preset in the factory. Later, we'll show you how to change those settings to your preferences. All 4 of these coffee buttons brew high-pressure coffee through the main coffee spout. When the display shows coffee ready, you can prepare any coffee beverage. Let's start by making 2 cups of espresso. Place 2 cups on the platform, lower the spout, and push the double espresso button. It's that easy. The S9 One Touch always brews in 2 steps. It first infuses some hot water into the coffee, pauses for a few seconds, and then continues brewing. This 2-step process brings out the maximum flavor. The fine, foamy layer on top of the coffee, called crema, is the trademark of pressure-brewed coffee. It's the crema that traps the fine aromatics and the light, gaseous flavors that register on the palate. The S9 One Touch features JURA Capresso's own auto cappuccino system. The front spout produces milk container to the froth express, and the rear spout produces high-pressure brewed coffee. This fast, convenient system lets you create frothed coffee drinks without ever moving the cup. The auto cappuccino system has 2 preset buttons for frothed drinks. The cappuccino or latte button and the latte macchiato button or steam nozzle. And by turning the selector dial, because this system siphons milk to mix with hot steam, the illuminated function will read in the display. First is the manual hot water function. By pushing the dial, you can begin the flow of hot water. When you have enough in your cup, simply press it again to stop the flow of hot water. The parts connect the hot water portion, creating a seal. This is a pre-programmed water volume. The dial has 3 positions for heating milk. And the frothing position heats and froths the milk function. The steam position heats without froth. And this function dispenses a pre-programmed volume of steamed milk and stops automatically. And the last function is the manual steam. By pushing the dial, and the center position on the dial is for steam only, and completely drinks with the flow of milk. Begin by filling the milk container. The knob is adjusted toward this center position to increase the milk temperature. Use low-fat or skim milk. The thermal milk container will keep milk cold for up to 8 hours. Next, connect the milk container to the froth express, which is attached to the front or steam nozzle. Because this system siphons milk to mix with hot steam, it's important that the parts connect tightly, creating a seal. The Froth Express dial has 3 positions for heating milk. The frothing position heats and froths the milk. The steam position heats without froth. And the center position on the dial is for steam only and completely blocks the flow of milk. When warming milk, the knob is adjusted toward this center position to increase the milk temperature. Let's look at how easy it is to prepare perfect cappuccinos, lattes, and latte macchiatos. Begin with the Froth Express dial in the up position and push the cappuccino button. The S9 One Touch begins by grinding the beans. Next, the heated, frothed milk will begin flowing. Once the frothed milk is in the cup, your machine will begin adding a high-pressure brewed coffee. To prepare a latte, simply move the dial on the Froth Express to the down position and press the cappuccino button. In the down position, the milk is steamed without adding froth. Once the milk is in the cup, the pressure brewed coffee will be added automatically. With one touch of a button, it's the perfect latte. And remember, you can always change the settings on a cup-by-cup basis on any programmed button using the rotary dial. Place your glass, preferably tall and narrow, under the auto cappuccino spouts and set the Froth Express dial to the up or frothing position. Now press and hold the Latte Macchiato button until the display reads, "Enough milk?" The S9 One Touch begins by grinding the beans. Next, the heated frothed milk will begin flowing. When you have enough frothed milk in your glass, press the Latte Macchiato button again. Your machine will then pause, giving the froth time to rise to the top of the glass. Finally, your machine will begin adding freshly brewed espresso, and the display will read, "Enough coffee?" When you have enough espresso between your milk layers, press the Latte Macchiato button once again to stop. You've now reset the permanent volume settings for the Latte Macchiato button. Each time you press it, you'll create the same perfect multi-layered Latte Macchiato. Reprogramming your portion size to fit a specific cup is fast and easy with the push and hold feature. It can be used with any beverage button.